Hello, and welcome to the Simple Step Show. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to use the sidebar in Notion. Now, the sidebar is one of the main tools you'll use to move around your Notion workspace and find your pages quickly. Sidebar is located on the left side of the screen. It shows you your pages and different sections of your workspace in one place. To use it, you just look through your list of pages and click on any of the pages you want to open. If the section is collapsed, you can simply hover over it, find the arrow, click on the arrow, and it opens up all the items that are contained within that particular space. Opening or closing these sections, they really just help keep your workspace easier to browse, especially as you create more pages over time. So depending on your workspace, you may also see areas like favorites, shared page, or in this case, you can see I have a team space home. All of these will rest in the sidebar. You don't need to learn every section right away, but the important thing is that the sidebar helps you find pages faster. It helps you to understand how your workspace is organized, and it helps you move through Notion more easily. And that's how you use the sidebar in Notion. Thanks for watching.